baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips that licks the lips. She could be the office type, but like the strip. Girl, you get me aroused. How you?
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aïssa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna bring you guys another weekly vlog, and yeah, basically I'm just gonna take you guys on a week with me and just show you what I'm up to, because this week and next week and the weeks to come, there's like a lot happening. So I thought, why not start a weekly vlog? So yeah, that's pretty much it. So today is Monday, August 21st. It is currently 4:52 p.m. I've been just doing other stuff throughout the day. I worked out this morning, ate, all of that. I've been editing actually just now, like I was editing now. And yeah, today, like I'm basically trying to use today and this week to kind of reset and get ready for the new month, because September is like coming really soon and I want to like start my monthly reset pretty early so that I'm not like jammed up. So yeah, on the agenda today, editing, like I told you guys, I was editing just before I started this clip. And also another thing on my agenda is cleaning, because my room is a mess. Like I need to clean, I need to declutter. I just need a clean space for the new month, obviously. And I've been letting it like pile up for way too long. So I need to clean that. And also, you guys have been asking so much in my comments, like my video where I did the sea moss on my face has been like getting so many views, and a lot of you guys have been asking me how I do my sea moss gel. So I thought I would include it in this vlog because I'm going to be doing some again with my mom. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna get up to today. But before we get into this video, of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to see more of me on this channel, there's hair, makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned for that after this video and go watch those other videos. But yeah, without further ado, we'll get into this video. Okay, so guys, I'm here with my mom. She's usually the one that does the gel. That's why she's here, and she's gonna show you guys, well, I'm gonna explain, but she's gonna show you guys how we do it. Okay, so this is the sea moss we're gonna use. It's basically this one. It comes in a bag like this. I know you can get them on Amazon. We didn't get it from Amazon, but you can. So you'll need the sea moss and some distilled or filtered water. So basically today what we're gonna do, we're just going to soak the sea moss. You can soak it for like a few hours, just like you can leave it for a few days, but we're just going to soak it for a few hours. So that's what we're about to do. So we basically just used what was in the Ziploc bag and put it in a bowl like this, and we have our filtered water right here. So basically you just have to clean it and make sure like it's really clean. So that's why we have two bowls. So this is what it looks like when it's all clean and you throw away that water. Now that the water from this bowl is out, we're gonna put it back in that bowl because that bowl is bigger. And then we are going to add some more filtered water. And then now that we add the filtered water, we are going to let that soak. Just make sure all of it is inside the water so that it can all soak up. Yeah, and then go ahead and cover it up, and you can leave it there either the whole day or like You can, if you don't have time, you can leave it for a few hours. You can leave it for about 8 hours. So this is it. It's going to stay there until tomorrow because we're gonna do the next part tomorrow. But for now, it's gonna stay there and soak up. Like I said, leave it for about 8 hours, or you can leave it for a few days if you don't have the time. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So guys, we just took the sea moss out of here and put it there, and basically we're gonna keep this water because we're gonna use it later, but we're just basically putting some warm water, not too hot, not boiling hot, but just warm on top of it so that it melts a little bit. Now it's time to transfer this into the blender in order to blend it all up. And now it's ready. Hey guys, so I've been a really bad vlogger. Today is actually Saturday, August 26th, I believe. Yeah, 26th. And yeah, last time I vlogged is when I finished the CMOS on Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, Wednesday. And yeah, I haven't vlogged since. So, but basically today is Saturday. I just got ready. As you can see, the hair is done. I'm about to do put my outfit on because my sister and I are going to an event, and of course I'll bring you guys with me. And yeah, that's basically it. But I just did my hair and makeup off camera, so yeah, let me finish getting ready because we're already late. This event is like, it started at 3 and it's until 8, and I think it's like 3:35 right now and we're still home, or it's probably like 3:40. So yeah, let me finish getting ready and then I'll see if my sister's ready, and I'll see you guys at the event.
How you feel?
Sensational. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I do for you.
Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues of the riddle. Oh, wow, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can't be bitch.
Sunset, baby. Do you love me? DJ.
Nobody here, I like that she wears clothes. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. I like that she wears clothes. You see, it's obvious, it's obvious. Sensational.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday was really fun. I didn't come to talk to you guys again, but basically after the day party, we went to help my sister's friend with her party, which is today. So we went to help to like start decorations and stuff. And then after that, there was an after party. So we went to check it out for a little bit. And I came back home after we basically came back home kind of later than we expected because we didn't know about the after party. So yeah, basically I'm running off of like 4 hours of sleep. Surprisingly, I'm not that tired though, but I know it's gonna hit me later. So yeah, basically I'm ready for church now, about to go to church. Yeah, I'll probably not gonna take you guys with me, but after church is my sister's friend's party, like I said. So yeah, I'll take you guys along with for that, but I'm all dressed. I'm gonna go to church and I'll catch you guys later in the day.
Like it's your birthday, and you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in there getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in there getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, so it's drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Pros down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man. Roll them trees up. If you watch how I move, you mistake before I play up pimp. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. I'm in the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York for sure, they tell you I'm local. And the plan is to put the rap game in the chokehold. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy and they ready to go. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't.
Hey guys, so today's Monday. Basically, I didn't come to close out the vlog yesterday, so I wanted to come and close it out today. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe and comment down below what other videos you would like to see. Basically today I was just chilling, and as you can hear, my voice is going away, so that's how you know it was a good weekend. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely subscribe down below, check out my other vlogs, and comment down below what else you would like to see. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Ooh,